Take a live look outside of San Francisco, which this is really the lead story for many of our viewers, the gorgeousness of the day. This is from our Citro Tower cam. You see the Transamerica Pyramid, you see the Bank of America building, you see the bay. It's gorgeous. Went for a bike ride today, and it was absolutely wonderful. Wonderful. It was fantastic. Rob Mayeda, we're going to keep it going?
Yeah, you know, we're going to see more of this moving forward. We're going to have to deal with a little bit of wind, though, this time tomorrow into Tuesday. And yes, more of those warm temperatures. In fact, some places could get even warmer approaching the middle part of the week. And speaking of warm, how about Walnut Creek? Close to 80 degrees today. Right now, 79. Average highs this time of year should be in the upper 60s for a few of these areas inland. So that's quite a bit warmer, as you see, with the west-northwest wind at 12 miles per hour. Now, interesting view out of the North Bay. You can see the fog there creeping back across the Golden Gate Bridge. 76 degrees closer to Tiburon and into San Francisco. We've hit the fast forward button into summer. Look at that fog across the Golden Gate Bridge. Because of that, we're down to 57 degrees and the wind coming in off the ocean northwest at 11 miles per hour. And into San Jose, low 70s, northwest wind at 13. And for your plans around the Santa Clara Valley this evening, it looks pretty nice. Maybe just a light jacket approaching 11 o'clock tonight as those numbers dip into the upper 50s, staying through the 70s through 6 o'clock with more of that sunshine. What might not be so pleasant with the winds picking up tomorrow. If you've got allergies, watch out for oak, mulberry, and pine currently running high. We're near the peak of our allergy season here around the Bay Area. Now for the morning, we'll begin with some patchy low clouds. You saw more of that this morning. Initially for tomorrow morning, we'll see some of that along the coast and maybe around the inner bay. But by mid-morning, the wind is going to pick up. So that's going to help to clear out the low clouds. It'll set the stage for a drier and warmer middle part of the week. Highs tomorrow, 65 in San Francisco, 71 in San Jose. And notice the Tri-Valley, even at the sunshine, we're going to be trending just temporarily cooler tomorrow. Low to mid-70s inland. Santa Rosa 74 degrees, Morgan Hill 72, and 73 around Concord. So the reason why we're going to see the wind late tomorrow into Tuesday, a storm dropping in east of the Sierra, is going to give us another dose of north to offshore wind. So it will get gusty across some of the hilltops. These areas here you see in white inland as you get into Tuesday is a reflection of lowering humidity, increasing temperature, which is also playing out there in the 7-day forecast at the bottom of the screen. Right now, it doesn't look like we're going to see wind advisories around the Bay Area. Maybe the North Bay Hills, you could see these gusts getting into Tuesday morning could be close to 20 to 40 miles per hour above 3,000 feet. So the North Bay Hills and Diablo Range plan on some wind heading into Monday night and Tuesday. Then, warmest days of the week as we head towards Tuesday and Wednesday. Then we're hopeful around this time next weekend. We do need this pattern to develop. You might have noticed the hills are still green outside, but if those offshore winds coming in this week and these above average temperatures, you want to keep fire season off in the distance. So this might help as we head towards next Sunday. Right now, Sunday night, could see the return of some rain towards the end of that 7-day forecast. But for now, we're kind of looking at an extension of summer-like temperatures. Look at San Francisco, trending warmer for the middle part of the week. Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll see some mid-70s inland. And most locations by Wednesday and Thursday will be in the 80s inland. So some summer-like weather there for the middle part of the week. And then stay tuned. Next Sunday night could be tracking some rain. We'll have a closer look at that pattern shift ahead for late next weekend coming up in our next half hour. Back to you.